Hello there again, my name's Jack. I'm the head technician here at 𝗦𝗢𝗓𝗔𝗟. I've got a quick demonstration for you on one of our P1 models. So I'm just going to fold the scooter down so I can get to the bars. So what we see a lot of is comments about slight free play in the handlebars folding mechanism themselves. So I'm just going to demonstrate today how to adjust that. For this task, we're going to need a 2.5mm Allen key and a hand ratchet of your choice. Right side has slight free play, and I've actually adjusted the left side so there's minimal amounts of free play. You always will get very, very slight amounts of free play, such as this. It's actually adjusted perfectly. However, this is because of the folding mechanism's nature and design. They always are needing to be able to move down to fold it. So it's just a balance really of usability for the folding mechanism and obviously real world use while you're riding the scooter. Obviously this is way too much free play. I'll just demonstrate how to actually do that. So to adjust, you pull this nub out, fold the bar down. Inside here, using your 2.5mm Allen key, anti-clockwise is actually tighten, and clockwise will be loosen the bars. So we'll just loosen the bar by rotating it anti-clockwise. I'll unfold it and just demonstrate quite heavy free play here. And in reverse order, anti-clockwise to tighten the bar. It is quite sensitive, the actual adjusting bolt itself, so don't go too crazy when you're undoing it. So I'm just going to fold that back up. Virtually no free play here, and as you can see, the pre-loosened bar in comparison. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.